If you are selling advanced B2B manufacturing solutions, you know how important it is to keep customers loyal for a long period of time. Using Tacton CPQ to configure, price and quote capital equipment is just the first step in the customer's journey with you. Once the product is operational, ensuring maximum uptime through maintenance and other services is key to keeping the customer engaged and returning to you for their next investment. Such aftermarket services may be offered by you as an OEM or by your local service partners. But in order to maximize the value of those services, you need to tailor them to each individual customer and asset usage. And to make the service deal profitable, you must accurately calculate the cost for delivering those services. With Tacton CPQ Service Sales, you pull in your installed base data into Tacton CPQ. If you have usage data from the equipment, Tacton CPQ can list those and then automatically create usage forecasts as a basis for the services to be offered. In this example, we see the running hours of an elevator 3 years back and the forecast for the next 3 years, covering the full length of the service contract. You can sell services for the whole equipment, the full elevator, or for sub-assemblies, for example, the elevator engine. To calculate labor costs, different service personnel can be defined with hourly rates, travel expenses, overhead costs, as well as their skill sets. Then you configure the types of services to be included in the contract, for instance, maintenance, expert services, trainings, spare parts, and consumables. Each service type has its own characteristics and settings that can be adjusted to your service offerings. Preventive maintenance intervals can be defined based on calendar time or the usage forecasts for the asset. Based on the technical features of the asset and its usage forecasts, the system then suggests the optimal service tasks and service intervals to maximize the uptime and performance. With automatic cost and customer net price calculations, the system ensures that the service contract is profitable. Cost and prices can be viewed per year, per service types, or per asset. If your organization allows it, the sales representative can apply manual discount to stand a better chance of winning the deal. With the push of a button, the sales rep can then generate the service quote and share with customer, either from Tacton CPQ directly or from your CRM via our Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics integrations. And when the service deal is won, the accurate tasks can be sent to the field service management system for execution. If you're using local service partners, they can receive access to Tacton CPQ and define services quotes for their customers in the same way as selling directly. Tacton CPQ and its service sales capability empowers your sales rep to sell both capital equipment and advanced services in the same system, quickly and profitably, monetizing the full customer lifecycle.